Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that Nigeria now has a king, and his son will automatically rule after him. No elections, no campaigns, no INEC. Would you accept it? Today we're breaking down the forms of government, and this topic alone can give you 3 to 5 JAMB questions. Let's go. 1. Monarchy. Monarchy is a form of government where the head of state is a king or queen. Power is usually hereditary, passed from parent to child. There are 2 major types. Absolute monarchy. The king has full power. Example, Saudi Arabia. Constitutional monarchy. The monarch's powers are limited by a constitution. Example, United Kingdom. Features: hereditary leadership, long tenure, strong tradition. Merits: stability, quick decision-making. Demerits: no popular choice, possibility of bad ruler. JAMB tip: if power is inherited, think monarchy. 2. Aristocracy. Aristocracy means rule by the best, usually nobles or elite class. Power is in the hands of a privileged few. Features: leadership by elite class, based on social status. Merits: experienced leadership. Demerits: excludes majority, can become corrupt. Exam trap: aristocracy is not democracy. Democracy involves the masses. Oligarchy is rule by a small group of powerful individuals. This group may be military leaders, wealthy businessmen, political elites. Difference between aristocracy and oligarchy? Aristocracy is ruled by noble class. Oligarchy is ruled by any small powerful group. Key point: oligarchy often prioritizes its own interest. 4. Autocracy. Autocracy is ruled by one person with absolute power. No consultation, no accountability, no opposition. Examples: historical dictators like Adolf Hitler. Features: one-man rule, one separation of powers, no separation of powers, suppression of opposition. P. Merits: allele, fast decisions. Demerits: abuse of power, human rights violations. If one leader controls everything, legislature, executive, judiciary, what is it? Autocracy. 5. Republicanism. Republicanism is a system where the head of state is elected, not hereditary. Nigeria is a republic. Features: elected leaders, constitution-based, rule of law. Important: republic equals democracy automatically, but most republics are democratic. Democracy. Democracy means rule by the people. From the Greek words demos, people, kratos, power. Types: 1. Direct democracy. 2. Citizens vote directly on laws. 3. Representative democracy. 4. Citizens elect representatives. Features: free and fair elections, rule of law, fundamental human rights. Merits: promotes freedom, encourages participation, protects rights. Demerits: slow decision-making, expensive elections, risk of manipulation. JAMB comparison question alert. Monarchy, hereditary. Republic, elected head. Democracy, rule by the people. Autocracy, one-man rule. Oligarchy, few powerful individuals. Let's test you. Which form of government is based on inheritance? What is the difference between oligarchy and aristocracy? Nigeria operates which form of government? Pause, answer. If you said monarchy, aristocracy equals noble class, oligarchy equals small powerful group, republican democracy, you're correct. In the next video, we will break down the arms of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary, including their functions and powers. This is a guaranteed exam area.